Make healthy buckwheat porridge with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan-to-Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select buckwheat porridge from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Take 3/4 cup of water in a MWS glass dish. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, add salt and buckwheat and mix well. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, transfer the cooked buckwheat into a deep bowl. Add the almond milk and whisk well. Now add honey and mix well. Top it evenly with the chopped apples. Keep this bowl inside the microwave oven and press start again. Your healthy buckwheat porridge made with LG Scan-to-Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven is ready. Good health! Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan-to-Cook Microwave Oven.